All right, YouTube friends and family, I'm gonna head down to the tire shop to see about getting some tires put on these rims for our Ectomobile. The wheels and tires that are on it now belong to my buddy's race car that we run out at Sonoma Raceway, so I want to get those back to him. I really want the nice fat white walls. Super expensive. The Coker tires are ridiculously expensive, I think. And I'm not sure they're what I want yet, so before I drop $1,000 on tires, I'm gonna go the cheap route, the redneck route. And I bought these porta walls. They're individual separate white walls that snap onto the rims with the tires, so you get the look of white walls, but they're not true one-piece white walls. They're separate from the tires. So take these rims down. I found them on an old abandoned trailer. They're Ford rims. You can see the Ford logo there. And I've got hubcaps for them. Beauty rings I think I'll steal off my dad's truck, and we'll see how it looks. And if we don't like the look, then we're not into it for too much money. But
shut up! You don't think Ryan is famous?
Cousin Ryan.
You gotta.
All right. What's up, Ryan?
Not much.
What'd you bring home?
White walls.
Whoa.
What they had to do.
Wow. Those look pretty good.
There's only 3 of them. So
dang. Well, you better go back and get the 4th one then.
This is the best I could do.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Short notice, yes.
All right. You want to explain the hubcap situation, Ryan?
We've got 2 sets. Well, mostly 2.
We've got a set I found where I found these wheels that look like this, and then we got these from the junkyard where we got some other parts for our car a few miles from here. We've only got 3 of these though. And Ryder, what was the consensus on these?
I like the white ones better.
This one?
But we don't have enough for them. I feel like it looked pretty janky, just 3.
Yeah. And
So,
these, I mean, they're all in rough shape and need to be polished up, but
those ones still look good.
We've got a match set, so I think we're going, well, I know we're going with these, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
There we go.
That's it.
It's on there.
It's on. All right, we're about ready to let this thing down. Ryder,
Yeah.
are you ready?
I am.
I am a fan of these. I'm gonna have to wipe some of our greasy fingerprints off of the white walls, but wow. I love and appreciate those racing wheels and tires that were loaned to us, but man, I don't think I can get enough of these white walls and that chrome.
There's class.
What now?
There's class.
That's right. Man, I'm a fan of those. Wow. I'm really happy with them. And just so you guys know, I can't remember if I mentioned this in the beginning of the video or not, but I did go the cheap route with these tires. Of course I was going the cheap route with these tires. Coker white wall tires are like, I don't know, 230 bucks a piece. This is a little bit silly, but $30 on Amazon and $100 tires. Boom.
Same thing.
Boom.
Half the price.
That's right. Hey, thanks for hanging out with us while we upgraded the wheels and tires on our Ectomobile. Rye?
Yeah.
Until next time, be excellent to each other.
See ya.
You know, say it's cousin Ryan on the Hollywood Boulevard. You know, say it bigger than any superstar. All of us spit you some real dope bar. Some them sweeter than any chocolate bar. Boom!
Hey.